Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. These will be essential for safely opening your device and handling the components inside. Start by powering off your Razer RZ09-0367 and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the process. Next, place the laptop on a clean, flat surface to prevent any damage. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Be sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. There are typically around 10 screws, so take your time to ensure none are lost. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Locate the battery, which is usually situated near the center. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the interior using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, disconnect the battery from the motherboard. This is typically done by gently pulling on the connector. If it feels stuck, use the tweezers to carefully wiggle it free. Remember, patience is key here. Next, remove the screws securing the battery in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws, so ensure you keep track of them. Once the screws are out, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Now, take your new compatible battery and place it into the compartment. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard, ensuring it clicks into place. Before reassembling the laptop, it's wise to test the new battery. Power on your device and check if it recognizes the new battery. If everything is functioning correctly, you can proceed to reattach the back panel. Align the back panel with the laptop and press down gently until it clicks into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly so, as this could strip the threads. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your device serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient solution. Finally, power on your laptop one last time to ensure everything is working as it should. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We also provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Razer RZ09-0367. Enjoy your revitalized device. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.